Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings. As you see here, this first page of settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, we will search about Google Wallet. Here on this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support